Welcome to the Android Oreo Java Masterclass, where you're going to learn how to create apps for Android using Java. My name is Buchalka, and I'm your instructor in this course, along with my co-instructor, Jean-Paul Roberts. Now, I've been a professional software developer and teacher for well over 30 years, and I've also got around 200,000 students in my various online programming courses. You know, it's vitally important that the person who teaches you programming is passionate about doing so, and that they've got professional programming experience themselves, and that they understand the critical need to teach industry best practices, and also they've got the skill to explain complex topics to make things really easy to understand. You're going to get all that and more in this course. Now, this course is for anyone who wants to learn how to create Android apps using Java. Now, it's a huge course of around 50 hours and covers everything from the tools you need to write Android apps in Java, which are all free, right through to creating your own Android apps. So I'm going to take you on a journey of understanding Android app development using Java, literally one app at a time. Now, everything in the course is explained in detail, and there's even a Java tutorial section just in case you haven't touched that language before. Now, the course has around 25,000 students and thousands of reviews. Simply put, students absolutely love the course. Just check out some of the reviews on this page for yourself. In addition, challenges are included in the course designed to test your skills and further your understanding. And not only do I keep the course updated, but questions relating to the content of the course are answered promptly as well. So by the end of the course, you will have built up a solid understanding of Android app development using Java, and you'll be ready to apply for Android app development programming jobs or take on freelance work. Now, the ideal student for the course is someone who wants to learn how to create Android apps using Java. No previous experience in programming is required. Now, there's no other requirements necessary to take this course other than having access to a computer. And if you're looking to get your first or a better programming job or to freelance as a software developer, then this course will definitely help you. Now, feel free to look at the course description and reviews on this page for more details, and you can even preview some of the content on this page as well. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.